Here, let me see. Let me throw it far. You ready? Go. Oh, let go of my arm, baby. Just can't throw it.
Is that 4 times enough?
No, because your line has a jerk. It stops going. Let me do it again.
Say, we need some fish. Say, here, fishy, fishy, fishy.
Say, here, fishy, fishy.
Here, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy.
Say, we won't cook you in the frying pan.
You don't cook in the frying pan. We're just kidding you in. No, we're not cooking in the frying pan. We're going to pour it right in the water again, right?
Right.
This one's
Hold it, don't throw it.
how far?
Just hold it.
How far is it?
Right there, see it? Leave it like that. Right here, Chloe.
Come on, guys. This is about what time they start biting again.
I'm never going to playground already. I was fishing 2 times already.
Here, move over, I'll sit with you.
Hey!
Next time we got to bring your furry blanket, huh, Kylie? What's up with the funny faces, Ty?
Ty, give Nana a funny face. Look at Nana and give her a
He's already making one.
What's the greasy?
Ugly. You making ugly faces?
Yeah.
Why?
I always want to go to the park and play it.
Say, I'm little Lopez.
You princess.
No, say it right.
He said, I little princess.
Say, I'm little Lopez.
I'm the little princess.
Say, George is my dad.
Yours is my dad.
You watch him on TV at night, remember?
No, I don't.
Yes, George Lopez and his daughter Carmen.
And what he talks like? He talks like him?
He talks like this. But Angie, I can't go to work today. I'm sick, Angie. Like that. Hey, little Lopez. Look at all the duckies.
Yeah, what's up?